morning students. Today we will learn agranulocytes, which is a type of leukocytes. In this type, granules are absent in the cytoplasm of the cells. Nucleus is not low. Agranulocyte cells are of two types. First type is the lymphocytes and second is the monocytes. Lymphocytes cells constitute about 25 to 30% of total WBCs. And second type, monocytes. These cells are constitute about 3 to 5% of total WBCs. First type of agranulocytes is the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes cells shows large round nucleus in the cytoplasm. Large round nucleus present in the cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, granules are absent. In the cytoplasm, granules are absent in the lymphocyte cells. Depending upon functions of two types of lymphocytes are present. Two types of lymphocytes are present, which is depend upon the functions. First lymphocyte cell is the B lymphocytes and second cell is the T lymphocytes. First type is the B lymphocytes are responsible for. Lymphocyte cells are responsible for antibody production. B lymphocyte cells are responsible for antibody production. B lymphocytes mature in bone marrow. B lymphocyte cells are mature in bone marrow. It is a highly specific. B lymphocyte cells are highly specific antigen antibody immunity. It is the highly specific antigen antibody immunity. Then second type is the T lymphocytes. Second type is the T lymphocyte cells. These T lymphocyte cells are responsible for cell mediated immunity. T lymphocyte cells are responsible for cell mediated immunity. T lymphocyte cells are mature in thymus. T lymphocyte cells are mature in thymus. T lymphocyte cells are four main subtypes. T lymphocyte cells are four subtypes. First subtype is the helper T cells. First type of T lymphocyte is the helper T cells. Second type is the killer T cells. Second type is the killer T cells. And third type is the memory T cells. Third type is the memory T cells. And the last fourth type is the suppressor T cells. Suppressor T cells. Then second type of agranulocytes. Second type of agranulocytes is the monocyte cells. Monocyte cells which constitute about 3 to 5% of total WBCs. Monocytes are the largest large kidney shaped nucleus which is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Large kidney shaped or bean shaped nucleus which is present in the cytoplasm of the cell. Monocytes are actively motile. Monocytes are actively motile and gives rise macrophages. Monocytes are actively motile and gives rise macrophages. Monocyte cells are mainly phagocytes and destroyed the bacteria. Monocytes are mainly phagocytes and destroyed bacteria and dead and damaged tissue by phagocytosis. Dead and damaged tissue by phagocytosis. Hence, the monocyte cells act as a scavengers. Hence, the monocyte cells act as a scavengers. Okay. Next, third form fragments is the platelets or thrombocytes. Third formed fragment of blood is the platelets or thrombocytes. The thrombocytes are cellular fragments. The thrombocytes are cellular fragments formed from a large cell called as the megakaryotes of bone marrow. Thrombocytes are cellular fragments formed from a large cells called as the megakaryocytes of bone marrow. Platelets are non-nucleated. Platelets are non-nucleated, rounded or oval, and biconvex. Platelets or thrombocyte cells are non-nucleated, oval shaped and biconvex. They are smallest element of blood. They are smallest element of blood. They constitute about 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. Thrombocyte cells are about 2.5 to 4.5 lakhs per cubic mm of blood, which is a total thrombocytes cells, which is the total count of thrombocytes cells. Their lifespan is about 5 to 10 days. Their lifespan is about 5 to 10 days. The conditions. The first condition, thrombopoiesis. First condition is the thrombopoiesis. Thrombopoiesis is the condition in which formation of platelets is called as the thrombopoiesis. The formation of platelets or thrombocyte cells is called as the thrombopoiesis. Then second condition is the thrombocytosis. Second is the thrombocytosis. Thrombocytosis in which increase the platelet number or increase the thrombocyte cells or count is called as the thrombocytosis. Third condition is the thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytopenia, decrease in the platelets or decrease in the thrombocyte cells. Count is called as thrombocytopenia. Thrombocytes aggregates. Thrombocytes aggregates at the site of injury and form a platelet plug. Thrombocytes or platelets aggregate at the site of injury and form a platelet plug. They secrete serotonin. They secrete serotonin as a local vasoconstrictor. They secrete serotonin, a local vasoconstrictor. Then next point is the blood coagulation. Next point is the blood coagulation. Blood coagulation or clotting of blood is the process. Clotting of blood is the process of converting the liquid blood into a solid form. Clotting of blood is the process of converting liquid blood to a solid form. This process may be initiated by blood coagulation or blood clotting process. May be initiated by contact of blood with any foreign surface. Contact of blood with any foreign substance, that is the intrinsic process, or with damaged tissue or extrinsic process. The intrinsic and extrinsic processes. The intrinsic and extrinsic processes involves interaction of various substances called clotting factors. Intrinsic and extrinsic processes involves interaction of various substances called as clotting factors by a stepwise manner or cascade manner. By a stepwise mechanism or cascade manner. Interaction of these factors in a cascade manner leads to formation of enzyme thrombin. Interaction of these factors in a cascade manner leads to formation of enzyme thrombin. Thromboplastin helps in the formation of enzyme prothrombinase. Thromboplastin helps in the formation of enzyme prothrombinase. Then next is the formation. Next is the formation of next step, enzyme prothrombinase. Enzyme prothrombinase. This prothrombinase enzyme inactivates heparin. These enzymes which inactivates heparin and also convert into inactive prothrombin into its active thrombin. Then thrombin converts. The next step, thrombin converts soluble blood protein fibrinogen. Thrombin converts soluble blood protein fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin. Then next step, fibrin forms. A mesh. Fibrin forms a mesh in which the platelets and other blood cells are trapped to form a clot or to form a coagulation. This is the process of blood coagulation or blood clotting. Then next point is the blood groups. Human being exhibits 4 types of blood groups. The A, B, AB and O blood groups. These are the 4 types of blood groups which is present or occur in human beings. A, B and O blood groups. A, B and O blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiners. A, B and O blood groups were discovered by a scientist, Karl Landsteiner. 4 types which is shown in this chart. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, blood group O. Then next column, genotype. Third, antigen on surface of RBC. Then antibody in serum. Can donate blood to this blood groups. Can receive blood from this blood groups. First, blood group A. The genotypes of blood group A is the IA-IA or IA-IO. Then the antigen which is present on the surface of RBC in blood group A is the antigen A, and the antibody which is present in the serum is the antibody B. Then blood group A can donate to blood groups A and AB, and the blood group A which is received blood from A blood group and O blood group. Then second blood group is the B blood group. The genotype of B blood group is the IB, IB or IB-IO. Then antigen on surface of RBCs of blood group B is the antigen B. The antibody is the A antibody which is present in the blood group B. The blood group B can donate blood to B blood group, AB blood group, and can receive blood from B blood group, O blood group. Then third is the blood group AB, which is also known as the universal acceptor, genotype IA-IB, antigen AB, antibody absent in the serum. Then blood to AB and received blood from blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. Then last fourth blood group O is the universal donor. The genotype of blood group O is the IO. Then antigen on surface of RBC is the means antigen which is present. The antigen on the surface of RBC which is absent in the blood group O. Antibodies which are present in serum, both A and B antibody. Then can donate blood to blood group A, B, AB, O and then can receive blood from blood group O. These are the four blood groups of human beings. Then next is the next RH factor. Then RH factor. It is an antigen D. RH factor or antigen D present on the surface of red blood cells. Present on the red blood cells. It was first discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940. RH factor first discovered by a scientist Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940 on the surface of RBCs of rhesus monkey. On the surface of RBCs of rhesus monkey. The person having RH factor are called RH positive. Or RH negative. RH positive. The person having RH factor are called RH positive or RH positive. Then person lacking RH factor. The person lacking RH factor are called as RH negative. The person lacking RH factor is called as the RH negative. Thank you.